Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to be your ultimate kitchen assistant. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's a true 9-in-1 marvel, replacing your slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more. Imagine tackling any recipe with confidence thanks to its 15 customizable smart programs, from perfect risotto to tender pulled pork, all at the touch of a button. What makes the Duo Plus truly stand out is its premium stainless steel inner pot, ensuring even cooking and super easy cleanup, a dream for busy cooks. This multi-cooker makes healthy meals quick and effortless, saving you significant time and stress in the kitchen. If you're searching for the best pressure cooker or a versatile kitchen upgrade, this is it. It's designed to simplify your life, making home-cooked meals more accessible than ever before. Ready to experience the magic yourself? Check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon using the link in the description below. You won't believe how much easier meal prep becomes when you buy this fantastic Instant Pot model. For anyone looking to elevate their cooking in 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is my absolute top recommendation.